Hey, what's going on, everyone? Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out with my channel. So yeah, today we're going to be opening some packs, Pokemon packs. I got 10 here. They're random, and we're just trying to get some hits. So let's start out with our first one, Shining Fates. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, hopefully that's not a reseal. Let's see our first pack of the day. We got a Buzzle, a Shinx, a Coughing, Trapinch, Rowlet, and we got a foil Rowlet. It's kind of nice. So we'll put that like there. Oh, then we have a Cinderace V. I'm not sure. Is that alternate art? I'll have to look. And then Energy, Dartix, Cremont, Thwackey, and then a code. Alright, hold on. I'm going to get my phone here. Let me just see here. Okay. So let's see. Alright, so that was Shining Fates. Let me see here. Shining Fates card list price. Okay, Shining Fates. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to find the price here. Shining Fates. Is this it? Okay. Cinderace V. Not looking good. Let me enter it manually here. Cinderace. Am I spelling that right? Cinderace V. Okay, so okay, so it might be worth 30 cents. Okay, so I think it's worth 30 cents. So, not a bad pull. So right now we're down $5 and whatever. All right, so let's go ahead and try this next one out. Chilling Reign. All right, Chilling Reign. we go. Move that to the side. All right, Chilling Reign. Chilling Reign. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got a Cast Form. Sunny Form, pretty nice. Yamask. Swirlix. Draining Kiss. A Schviel. Skwovet. We got a trainer, Brawly. Some nice foil on there. Just go put that in the foil. Then we got a Doug Trio, Rapid Strike, Energy, Drizzle, Rugged Helmet, Fog Crystal. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that trainer is probably not worth anything. Let me see here. Oops, Brawly. Brawly. Okay. It's worth 1 cent. Okay. 1 cent, not bad. All right. Now we're going to open a Vivid Voltage. Okay. Hopefully it's not a reseal. We got a Drillbur. Oshawott. Duskull. Ferroseed. Riolu. Oh, we got a Zapdos. 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 Doniphan. Energy. League Staff. Charmeleon. Pinchrin. Alright, let me just see if this Zapdos is worth anything. What was that? Vivid Voltage. Zapdos. Whoops. Zapdos. Pokemon. Okay. Looks like it's worth 4 cents. Possibly up to 10 cents. Hidden Fates. Yeah, okay. Yep, 10 cents. Okay. Not too good. All right, Evolving Skies. Maybe we can get a good pick here. Hitmonchan. Slakoth. Petilil. Petilil? I don't know. Pikachu. Pumpkaboo. Avalugg. Shiftry. Energy. Paltoad. Herdier. Avalugg. Okay. I'm sure that's not worth anything. Alright, now we got another Evolving Skies. These are from the random 5 boxes. Picked up 2 of them. Cost me like 25 bucks each or something. Dino. Mareep. Wobbuffet, I guess. Love Disc. Dweeble. Aroma Lady. Wishy Washy. Energy. Lantern. Spirit Mask. Jeez, garbage. Let me see if Aroma Lady's worth anything. Doubt it though. Not my luck today, guys. Yeah, 1 cent. 1 cent, not bad. All right. Vivid Voltage again. Sandile, Oshawott, Pineco, I don't know. Clefairy, Tynamo, Trumbeak, Duraludon. At least I got 2 shiny cards. An Energy, Nuzleaf, Memory Capsule, Girafarig. Okay. Let's go with Fusion Strike. Some of these are just not well open here. Oops. Helioptile, Wooloo. Oh, that's cool. Wooloo. It's like a sheep. Gossifleur, Mudkip. Ooh, that's kind of nice green. Levany, Healing Circle. It's kind of cool. Maractus, Diggersby, Sydney, and Cross Switcher, 2 trainers. There's 2 cards. There's a card in here. A Maril, and then whatever that is, code or whatever. All right, last 2 packs. Silver Tempest, come on, baby. Fletchling, Chimeco, Feebas, Fennekin, Spinarak. Ooh, a foil Pikachu. Okay. Whoa, and a Ho-Oh. Whoa, that's cool. I gotta look that one up for sure. Okay, hold on. Then Energy. Brandon. Jinx. Alright, let me look up this Ho-Oh. Ho dash O. Ho-Oh, right? What did I just open? Was that Silver Tempest or? Is this the same card as that? Too bad it's bent. Maybe $6. Best pull of the day. And then our last pack. They reseal and they get some good glue. It's hard to open. Alright, we got a Clobopus, a Weedle, Galarian Slowpoke, Quillfish, Blitzel, Whirlipede, and yeah, that looks like it's going to be about it, boys. Scolipede, Agatha, Flannery, Old Cemetery. So, I spent how much did I spend? I think this was $60 for these two things. And these are my pulls. I don't think the Pikachu obviously is probably not worth anything. Let me just double check. Oops. Pikachu. Yeah.
Not 442.
You said what?
442.
Okay. All right. Well, that concludes the opening. So if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and leave a comment. Maybe I can start taking donations to buy more packs to open in the future. So on that note, peace.